Good day, everyone. Today, I will briefly explain why the rotor of a stepper motor is magnetic and why this is important for its operation. A stepper motor is a special type of electric motor that moves in small, precise steps instead of rotating continuously. It is widely used in machines that need accurate positioning, such as printers, CNC machines, robotics, and automation systems. Inside a stepper motor, there are two main parts, the stator and the rotor. The stator is the stationary part that contains coils or windings. The rotor is the rotating part, connected to the shaft. The rotor is magnetic because the motor works based on the interaction between magnetic fields. When electric current flows through the stator windings, it creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field attracts and repels the magnetic poles of the rotor. As the controller energizes the stator coils in a specific sequence, the magnetic field shifts step by step around the stator. The rotor follows this changing magnetic field, moving in small, controlled steps. This is what allows the motor to have precise motion control. There are two common types of stepper motor rotors. In a permanent magnet type, the rotor itself is a magnet with north and south poles. In a hybrid stepper motor, the rotor is a combination of a permanent magnet and toothed iron structure, which gives better torque and accuracy. The magnetic rotor is very important because it provides several key benefits. First, it allows accurate positioning, since the rotor moves in fixed step angles. Second, it provides holding torque, meaning the rotor can stay in place even when power is applied, but no movement is needed. Third, it ensures simple control because each electrical pulse sent to the motor results in a predictable movement. Without a magnetic rotor, the stator's magnetic field would not be able to control or move the rotor effectively, and the step-by-step motion would not be possible. In conclusion, the rotor of a stepper motor is magnetic because it must interact with the stator's magnetic field to create controlled, precise motion. This is what makes stepper motors very useful in modern automation systems. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, follow, and share. God bless.